Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the rod, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the rod, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. So, first let us draw a figure based on this information. So, there is a rod with 80 meter width and there are two poles on the either side of the rod. The poles have equal height. Then it is given from a point between them on the rod, the angles of elevation on the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. That means a point on the rod between the poles. Somewhere here on the rod, it is not the midpoint, you remember. So let us mark a point on the rod between the poles. So here I have marked a point on the rod. From this point, the person is looking to the top of the poles at the angle of elevation of 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Let us mark it. So one angle of elevation is 60 degree and other angle of elevation is 30 degree. Let us give the name for the points. So I marked here A, B, C, D, E. Now we know the total length of BD is 80 meter. But we need this CD and BC separately. So let us give any one of them be X. So I gave this CD is X. Since CD is X, this BC we can write as 80 minus X because it is given the total is 80. Now let us draw the right triangles separately. The right triangles are triangle EDC with the acute angle 60 degree and triangle ABC with the acute angle 30 degree. The question is find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So we need to find out the height of the poles, that is AB and DE. They are equal. Then again we need to find out CD and BC. Let us solve it. Consider the first right triangle EDC. Acute angle is 60 degree. This ED is the opposite side, CD is the adjacent side, that is X. Let us take the ratio there. In triangle EDC, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta equal to 60 degree. Opposite side is ED. Adjacent side is CD, that is X. Tan 60 degree equal to DE by CD, that is root 3 equal to DE by X. Cross multiplying we get X into root 3 equal to DE. If we take this root 3 to right side, we get X equal to DE divided by root 3. Now consider the second right triangle ABC with the acute angle 30 degree. AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. It is 80 minus x. Let us take the ratio. In triangle ABC, tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here theta equal to 30 degree. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Tan 30 degree equal to AB by BC. That is 1 by root 3 equal to AB by 80 minus x. Cross multiplying, we get 80 minus x equal to AB into root 3. Now we have the value of x here, x equal to dE by root 3. Let us substitute it here. We get 80 minus dE by root 3 equal to AB root 3. Let us take this dE by root 3 to right side. Here it is negative. If we take into right side, it will become positive. So we get 80 equal to AB root 3 plus dE by root 3. Now we know this AB and DE, they are the poles. In the question it is given the poles have equal heights. Therefore this AB and DE are equal. So this DE we can replace by AB. So we get 80 equal to AB root 3 plus AB by root 3. Let us cross multiply here. We get 80 equal to AB root 3 into root 3 plus AB whole divided by root 3. This root 3 into root 3, it is 3. So we get 80 equal to 3AB plus AB whole divided by root 3. 3AB plus AB is 4AB. So we get 80 equal to 4AB divided by root 3. Let us change the sides. We get 4AB divided by root 3 equal to 80. AB equal to 80 into root 3 by 4. This divided by root 3 is taking to right side. It became into root 3. Here into 4. It became divided by 4. Now we can cancel this 80 and 4. We get 20. So we get AB equal to 20 root 3. Therefore, height of the pole is 20 root 3 meter. There is one more question, find the distances. That means we need to find out what is DC and what is BC. DC is x. BC is 80 minus x. Here we know what is x. X equal to dE by root 3. We have x equal to dE by root 3. dE is the height of the pole. We proved height of the pole is 20 root 3 meter. So x equal to 20 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 and root 3 we can cancel and we get x equal to 20. So we can conclude DC equal to 20 meter. Then BC. BC equal to 80 minus x. That is equal to 80 minus 20 equal to 60 meter. Therefore the distances are 20 meter and 60 meter. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.